Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back. In this video, I'm doing a whole e-file unboxing and giveaway. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. Now, before we get started, you know I have to give a hey girl, hey. And I cannot even pronounce her name, but hey girl, hey. She was inspired by yours truly to do some nail art, and I just wanted to share her nail art with you guys. I thought she did a really good job. So shout out to you. You guys drop a hey girl, hey for her in the comment section. All right, so, okay, look at my little purple nail. Yes, one little lonely purple nail. That's what we're going to remove in today's demo. So just like in my previous e-file unboxing and giveaway, I'll do the whole unboxing, and then I'll do a demonstration where I'll remove my nail, and then at the end, I'll tell you how you could win it. Okay, so watch the entire video. It's short and sweet. Okay, so let's start off with the box. So I'll give you guys a little bit of a zoom in here. It just tells you about this. Kind of boring stuff, but it's kind of important to some people, so I figured I'll zoom in, just like on this side. Let's zoom in. It says low heat, it says quiet and safe. We shall see. You have forward and reverse position on that, so that's good. I love when an e-file can go forward and reverse, because when you use it in your left hand, you have to switch the polarity and the rotation of the e-file. Okay, so it does come with a little pamphlet. I'm not going to read to you the pamphlet, but I will flip through the pages so that you guys can see that it does have a complete book. And hopefully, if you guys are new and you win this, the book is very, very helpful to you guys, so you guys can understand how to use the e-file. But also, I'm going to give you a full demonstration right here. So this is the hand piece. Ooh, so little, so tiny, so tiny. All right, so here is the plug, some drill bits, some arbor bands, and then you get a cute little brush. So this is everything that comes with the kit. So all this could be yours, honey. All this could be yours. Look at this little brush. Look at that soft little brush. Okay, look at the bag. The bag of arbor bands. Honey, a whole bag though. A whole bag. Okay, I'm showing you guys the grit because it doesn't... I'm showing you guys the grit. It doesn't say specifically what grit this is, but it looks like a 100. Ooh, that was a rough estimate, but it does look like a 100 grit. And then in here, in this little case, it looks like you get some 240s, maybe some 180s, and then some 100 grit over there on the end. That's what it looks like to me. Now, that's kind of like a rough estimate, but that's what it looks like to me. I could be totally wrong, but at least I tried, you guys. I tried for you, okay? I tried. All right, so this is a handpiece, super light. You guys, I always talk about how I love a really light, small handpiece because I just really like, you see my hands, my palms are little, guys. Okay, I need something small and light. Okay, so the bottom piece here, the end piece, I really dig that. I really dig that because you know what? That makes this totally portable. You could plug that right into the car. Hello? Filing nails on the go. Okay, just saying. All right, so here is the, let me try to zoom. Yeah, there we go. Wait, kind of. Like every time I get it, okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay, so on the left, you have reverse. On the right, you have forward. And then right in the middle, that's how you turn it on and off. And then over here to the right, the knob, you turn it to the right for it to go up, and then to the left for it to go back down. And I will demonstrate that. Already, I see some pros and cons to this e-file, but let's see how it works, and I'll tell you guys what I'm thinking. So the drill bit that I'm using, this is just one of my, favorite drill bits, and I just wanted to make sure that it would fit into this e-file, okay? And it does. So, thumbs up there. So let's do a listen. You guys know I like to kind of like just listen and see what the e-file is doing. So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit to listen to it, and then also watch and make sure that it's not bouncing around in my hand or on the table. So here we go. All right, so now I'm going to put it in reverse and do the same thing because we want it to sound, good going in forward and reverse, right? We don't want a lopsided nail. So I'm just showing you guys that it is indeed in the reverse position, and it sounds pretty good. It sounds almost the same. So that's good. That's really, really good. Okay, so let's turn it down. Just you guys can hear that, and I'm just going to shut it off. Right there in the middle. Okay, so here is my nail. I'm showing you that it is a good thickness, right? It's a regular size thickness. I want to put this e-file to work, you guys. I want to put it to work. I want to see what you got. So this nail, this one little lonely purple nail. I had a class yesterday, okay? Hey girl, hey, if you watching, I had a class and me and her did our nails. Shoot, we just did our nails. She did her whole hand and I just did one little nail. So this is the one little nail. And I built it on like my peelable base coat, the DIY pop-off method. I did it with that method. So instead of just like popping it off, I left it on. I just cut it low, but I left it on so that I could purposely file it off for you guys, okay? So you guys can watch me file this down. You saw the purple on there was a good thickness. It wasn't too thin or anything like that. So if this e-file could remove all the purple, I think it's a really good e-file. What else? I'm not going to file it down to my natural nail plate because, again, this is a peelable DIY pop-off method. And I don't want to get too close to my nail plate, so we're not going to do that. I'm just going to file off the purple, and then by then, you know, it'll probably just pop off anyway. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, pop-off method, I will leave the link to this video in the description box. Okay, so this e-file, you guys, I think it's very portable. I love the plug that you could, like, just put right into the car, the USB port. I love the size of it. I love the weight of it. I love the fact that it just took off all that acrylic. So super, super powerful. What I do not like. So those are all my pros. I have a lot of pros. My one con is that the knob on there, you can't really tell. I just wanted to show you guys it's in there really good. When you put the drill bits in there, it goes in really good. But my one con is that the knob, there's no numbers, so you can't really tell like that you're at a 7 or a 5 or a 30. You know what I mean? You can't tell where you're at. You just have to kind of just know almost. You know what I mean? So that's my one con. But if you guys can get past that, then enter this giveaway, you guys. I'm trying to set it up so you guys can see all the stuff that you guys are getting. And I forgot the brush. I'm sorry, I forgot the brush. But yes, you would also get that cute little brush that it came with. I'm not going to keep your brush, I promise. But I just wanted to show you guys, you know, this is the kit. This is the kit. This could potentially be your e-file. I think this would be a really, really good e-file for a quarantine nail sister, someone who just does their own nails and they just really, you know, want to get their nails done, but they can't because of quarantine restrictions. I think this e-file would be really good for you. I think this e-file will also be good for like maybe someone that doesn't have a lot of money and they can't afford an e-file and they're just tired of using their hand file. I think this would be good for you, or someone who's just getting into nails and, you know, they just need an e-file. I think the e-file would be good for you guys, okay? If you are a professional in a shop and you're just doing client after client after client, I don't think this would be a good e-file for you. I think you guys need something, you know, a little bit bigger. I really do, like a bigger motor perhaps. But if you guys are quarantined or just getting into nails, you guys are the one who should enter my giveaway. So the rules to the giveaway are right on the screen, okay? They're right on the screen. Good luck to everybody. And I will be announcing my other giveaway. I will be announcing the winner to that this week, okay? This week. I've already today filmed 3 videos. I filmed 3 videos in one day. That's how hard I've been working. And I will announce the winner to my previous giveaway. So for now, you guys, enter both giveaways. Enter both of them, okay? Good luck to you guys. I love you guys so much. Bye!